Hi you guys, so Sundays are my favorite day of the week as it's always the perfect day to reset and organize myself for the new week ahead. So I love to shop, cook, clean, a bit of skincare, self-care, and then a date night.
Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right.
Alright you guys, so we're starting off from the supermarket as Sundays are just the perfect day for me to pick up some flowers, do some food shopping, especially like refills, because we're used to shopping in bulks, but within the week, if there is anything I know that finished up, especially like when it comes to all these perishable foodstuffs, that perish often, kind of strawberries, plantains, bananas, and all those things. Of course you can't buy those in bulks. So on Sundays, especially immediately after church, sometimes on our way from church, or if we don't go to church that day, I just branch off to the supermarket, do a little bit of food shopping, come back, dispatch everything. And you guys, there's just something about fresh flowers that, oh my gosh, like I just love having that kind of colors, and also knowing that your fresh flowers are actually alive. They are living, they are alive, unlike fake plants and fake flowers. Don't get me wrong, fake plants and fake flowers are okay, but it's always good to always have some fresh flowers in the house, because they have this very nice smell and this homely feel they give to the home. All right you guys, so I just got home, I dispatched everything, and then over here I'm going ahead to put everything where they're supposed to be. I always like to make sure everything is organized. If I have places where I need to place each and every foodstuffs or food item, of course I go ahead and dispatch them and put them where they are supposed to be. And then of course I always love to take my time to arrange my flowers, cut them up, like I said, fresh flowers just I don't know how to explain it, guys, but if you're used to having fresh flowers around your home, please let me know. I just want to make sure I'm not the only one this happens to. I just feel so good whenever I cut up my fresh flowers, feed them some flower food, put some ice, put some sugar, and also I love to use whatever flower vase or whatever thing I'm using to put my flowers. I love to section them off with a tape, so that way the flowers can kind of sit well in the vase or in the plate or whatever it is you're using. And also, since I'm working with roses this time, guys, I always love to kind of remove the leaves off of my roses, cut them, and also you guys, you saw me rolling it on my palm, and this will help a lot with kind of opening the roses up, so that way they can bloom quickly, and it makes them look better when you fluff them up like that. So over here I just went ahead and did a little bit of flower arrangement, which I absolutely love. And this time around I was looking for white roses, but they didn't have white roses, so I decided to just mix up my roses. And I always love to add my fresh flowers right at the kind of at the entrance hallway, so that way once you're coming in, you can perceive that fresh flower smell. And once I get that done, you guys, I always love to go ahead and make something for us to eat. And today I'm going to be making some chicken alfredo. And chicken alfredo is that one food that, when it comes to chicken alfredo, when it comes to pasta, is just that one food that I can make under 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and that's it. Like, it doesn't require much, or it doesn't take a lot of time. So basically I just go ahead and add up my spices, some adobo, some black pepper, onion powder, just spice it with any spices you like to use to cook, mix everything up. And as you all can see, I'm just mixing up the chicken, and the next thing is to go ahead and feed my pasta inside the boiling water. And this water is actually I love to put a little bit of oil inside my water, so that way when my pasta is done, it doesn't get like kind of mangled up together. I love my pasta to be kind of separated. And as you all can see over here, I'm just quickly going to saute and also fry the chicken breast up a little bit. You guys already know that chicken breast don't require much. All you just need to do is fry it 5 at most 7 minutes. It's all the way ready. And then over here, I'm gonna go ahead and make my pasta and my chicken alfredo sauce. I'm adding up some cream, and I'm just gonna season it, add some cheese, mix my pasta, my chicken. Over here I just added some black pepper, like chicken alfredo. You guys, if you need the recipe, I believe I've filmed a chicken alfredo recipe here on my channel, so definitely try and check that out. Okay, so once the food was ready, you guys, we had our lunch, and I always love to go ahead and wash up whatever it is I used to cook, because if I leave it there, guys, I'm definitely gonna get lazy to wash it off. So of course I always go ahead and kind of feed the family, and then I use my last strengths and just quickly do the dishes. Sometimes I love to use the dishwasher, just feed the dishes in there, but because of the fact that the dishes I have right here, they are like big, like they're like pots and cutting board and all those things, so I just decided to quickly wash them off. And once I'm done washing them off, guys, I also love to clean up my kitchen, because apart from doing the dishes and washing up the things you use to cook, sometimes the sink might be dirty, the what is it called, the stove might be dirty. So I just take out the time to clean up everywhere, because when it comes to Sunday, like Sundays always sets the tune for me, for the rest of the days in the week. Of course, you guys know Sunday is the first day of the week. So once I get my Sunday right, like the rest of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is always easier. I just make sure everywhere is clean, and also if it's days where I have to batch cook, I always love to use Saturdays or Sundays to batch cook. Just make sure there is food in the house, just clean up, make sure everywhere is nice and ready for the work week. So basically I just finished doing the dishes. I just cleaned up my sink, and now I'm going to quickly clean up my kitchen, make sure everywhere is nice and clean. And then our bedroom was a mess when I left, so I had to head down to the bedroom to fix it up, just arrange it, put some fresh beddings. I always love to change our bedding like every single week, guys, especially for the fact that I have an acne prone skin. So changing our beddings, on Saturdays or Sundays is always a must for me. And of course, you guys, whenever I put on fresh comforters, I always love to go ahead and iron them, because sometimes when I bring them out of my linen closet, it's always very, very rumpled, as you all can see. So I always love to quickly use my what is it called, my steamer, just steam it. And over here I just love to spray some air freshener on the air, just to make sure the room is smelling really, really nice. And once I get that done, I head into the bathroom to remove my makeup. But before I do that, I always love to put on some diffuser with some essential oil. You guys, I just love I love fresh smell in my home. So if I'm not burning some candles, I'm using some diffusers or some air freshener. My home is always smelling really, really nice, guys. So over here I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and take off my makeup, remove all my jewelries, because we are already kind of winding down. And also on Sundays towards like around 8:39, I always love to get the kids ready, send them off to bed, because of course you guys know Mondays a school day, so they need to go to bed early. Unlike within the weekend, guys, like especially on Fridays or Saturdays, they always go to sleep late, but on Sundays you gotta get them ready for bed early, so that way they can wake up very, very refreshed on Monday morning. So basically over here, I'm just going to quickly melt off my makeup with my what is it called? I forgot the name. I actually just showed it on camera, but I forgot the name. But yeah, I just basically take off my makeup, and then I have a very nice hot shower, guys. I just like I'm that person that would use hot water during the winter and also during the summer. I hate cold water, guys. Like I absolutely hate cold water. So I basically just take off my makeup, head down to the shower, to just take my bath. And you guys, I always love to go in with my Dove soap. My Dove soap is so good. I use the Dove for my body, and then for my face, I love to use my acne.org cleanser. And please, you guys, if you're enjoying this video, kindly please take this moment, I'm asking you please, to hit that like button. Oh my gosh, you guys, I notice most times you guys always watch my videos and forget. I know some of you always tell me you watch my videos on the TV, so I totally understand. But please, if you're watching on your mobile and you're able to hit that like button, please guys, hit that like button because it helps us a lot. All right, you guys, you see what I'm saying? Like the steam from the shower actually covered my camera, so so you guys couldn't see what was going on. Like I love me some hot steaming shower, especially towards the evening. It helps me to relax. It just makes me feel good. So basically, I just take my time, take a very nice good shower, because yeah, my day is always very, very busy on Sundays, so I always love to take out that time and have a very nice decent shower. So you guys, after a whole week of wearing makeup, of stress and all those things, so I always love to take out Sundays to take care of my skin, for skincare, for self-care. And you guys, this steamer have been with me for over 5 years now, and this right here is my handy dandy product, like, or gadget when it comes to my skincare. You guys, I absolutely love this steamer. Like basically, if you have an acne prone skin and you wear makeup, right, it's always advisable to go ahead and unclog your pores maybe once a week, twice a week, because you guys know one of the things that cause people to break out is when their pores are clogged. So when you go ahead and steam your face, it just helps to open up your pores, and it helps to make sure that your pores are very, very open, so that way whatever skincare product you're using work better, it works faster, because your pores is open. So automatically whatever product or whatever skincare treatments you apply on your skin, it has 100% chances of working better when your pores are open. So of course I went in with my acne.org treatment. I absolutely love this treatment, guys, especially for anyone that has acne. It works wonders for my skin. And also of course I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, and I absolutely using my bio oil moisturizer. This just leaves my body really, really glowy and looking very, very nice and fresh. So you guys, taking one Sunday every other week, in a month is kind of a routine I formed with hubby, because you guys, at the end of the day, in as much as we have kids, I also gotta make sure that you guys, we create time for each other. So every other Sunday, we'd love to go ahead and have a little bit of date night after we've sent the kids off to school, off to bed, guys, not school. I always love to go ahead and make us a little setting for date night. And sometimes, especially when you when you have kids and everything, like date nights, it's not something you have to physically get ready, dress up and go out to do. You can actually have a quick date night, a relaxing date night right at the comfort of your home. So basically what I and hubby love to do is just to, you know, have a little bit of arrangement, have some wine, just relax in the living room, watch some movies, you know. And also we love to do this early in the evening or earlier in the night, so that way we can spend some time, maybe 2 hours watching a movie or something, you know, while relaxing. So today I'm going to be making us some chocolate strawberry. I don't even know the ideal words they call this, but basically I just add some chocolate in a bowl, just melt it up as you all can see, and then I go ahead and dip some fresh strawberry, you know, inside the chocolate. And oh my gosh, you guys, this tastes so good. I absolutely love this. And when I do it this way, I always give it like 15-20 minutes to dry up. Like, you see how fresh the chocolate looks right now. If you give it like 10-15 minutes, it's just gonna go ahead and harden. It will just be like normal chocolate, guys. And you know, when you go ahead and bite through your strawberry, you bite through the chocolate, it just tastes so good. And then over here, as you all can see, I added some crackers, I added some marshmallows, because you guys, we're going to be making some s'mores. Hubby's gonna grab us something to drink, and he actually don't drink, guys. I taste a little bit of drink once in a while, but he don't drink at all. So of course he had to make sure he's getting some what is it called, some apple cider, guys. He absolutely love apple cider. So basically we just, you know, sit in our living room, we lay something down, you know, we just relax, watch a movie, drink our apple cider, just eat our s'mores. You know, I love my strawberry, you know, dipped in chocolate. Oh my gosh, that is like, this right here, guys, is all I absolutely enjoy doing with hubby. I remember we used to do this more often, you know, like we used to do this a lot before we started having kids. But now, you guys, like, of course everyone is busy. Basically we just try as much as possible to create that time, you know, that us time, you know, when the kids are off to bed. We absolutely love this time. As you all can see, we're watching a movie, we're discussing the movie, we are making our s'mores, you know, drinking our apple cider, and this just sets us, you know, in that good mood for the new week. And yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you guys kind of drew some inspiration from this video. If you're married, I know how difficult it can be, like trying to create that date night, you know, going out for dates and all those things. But you don't need to, guys. You just basically create all those things at the comfort of your home. But yeah, you guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.